Having a bad smile or having something wrong with you that you're not comfortable with can ruin your health.
I think I noticed that I was eating softer foods, especially out in public, and hoping that one of my teeth weren't going to break. It was mortifying.
I was not able to chew and process the food in order for the food to digest properly, and it further caused, more health conditions.
On a scale of 1 to 10, my worry before ClearChoice would have been a 15.
The doctor told me, you have some serious periodontal disease. If we don't fix it, you're going to lose not only your teeth, but your bone density is going to continue to decrease.
I didn't realize before ClearChoice that there was a link between my health and my dental situation.
Realistically, the body is intertwined. All our systems work together. And the mouth, that's the way in.
So it's estimated that somewhere between 30 and 50% of adults have periodontal disease. The way I would explain it is our mouths have millions of bacteria, and in health, the gums form this tight collar around the teeth that prevents the bacteria from entering our bodies. But with periodontal disease, what it means is the gums become inflamed, which means they're more permeable to bacteria entering. Why should we do this now? Is because dentistry never gets better. A lot of patients think, I've had bad experiences in the past, I don't want to deal with this now. But the problem with dentistry is those infections, you may not feel them, but they are getting worse.
When you lose a tooth without replacement, you end up losing that bone. But you never want to get to a point where you're just too late. So take advantage and try to do something sooner than later.
We get to a point where we can't preserve the teeth anymore. We need to actually replace them. And in doing so, we can make things healthy again. This to me is more about healthcare, and it's about having experts provide treatment that is beneficial to the health of a patient.
On top of that, the motivation that we get when we are able to smile healthy, when we're able to be pain-free, when we're able to eat the healthy foods that we want, also contributes to that better lifestyle, better attitude, and overall a decrease in any medical risk with regard to other diseases in the body.
What we do every day is we want our patients to have the best quality of life. And I truly do believe that it does start with having health. It starts with being able to have confidence in themselves. It's an investment in you, it's an investment in your health, and it's something that's going to be permanent.
I spent a lot of money out of my own pocket on dentures, getting teeth pulled, partials. Go into ClearChoice. They'll help you. Think about how you're going to feel afterwards.
When you get to ClearChoice, the worries dissipated. They went away. They melted away like butter in a pan.
I am so thankful for ClearChoice that they care enough about people that feel like I do. Don't wait as long as I did. Know that they can change your life.
They're not only going to give you back this beautiful smile, but they're going to give you back confidence, your self-esteem. This is what ClearChoice did for me. They gave me my teeth back, but not only that, they gave me my life back.